Blueface, baby. Yeah, I want to see you bust down. Can't even talk, all this water dripping in my mouth. Water!
Yeah, yeah. They was hating cause I'm popping. Try to hold me back, but I ain't never ever stopping. All this money on me, I feel like I just went shopping. She was trying to cut, but I told her that I got options. Yeah.
Hey yo, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Just Cryptic here, back with another video. Today I have a tutorial for you guys, for all the people out there who want curly hair, who want them curls and everything like that. Today I got you. Now right now my hair is actually not like super curly, but you can see there's some curls in. But I'm gonna show you guys by the end of this video how to get curly hair if you guys are struggling with it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video. Let's go for 3,000 likes on this video. This is my second channel. If you guys feel like subscribing to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe. Also subscribe to my main channel. We almost at like 800K or something like that. But anyways, today I'm gonna show you guys how to get some curls. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's go ahead and get into this video, baby. Since I am a tall individual, I literally have no way to set a tripod up like to my height level, you know what I'm saying? Like where I'm literally like this. There's no way to set a tripod up like that. I'm just too tall for it. So I'm gonna have you guys right here. Now there's multiple ways to actually get your hair curly and like get them really defined, thick, or you know, them nice curls, them compact curls. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys the way to do it with product and without product. So let's go ahead and get into it. Now I just actually went to the store to go buy some products to show you guys what I be using to get my curls really nice. Lately, I have not been doing it and my curls have been looking like booty cheeks, which is why I figured I might as well film a curly hair tutorial and fix my hair at the same time. But here's the products. Everything I'm finna show you is Cantu. These are all Cantu, as you guys can see right here. Cantu. This is shampoo. Then we got some conditioner right here. As you guys see right there, the focus on this mug is crazy. And last but not least, we got the Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. But all these products say one thing on them, and that's Cantu. Now, Cantu and Shea Moisture are probably the top two products for people looking to get curly hair. These are literally my old shampoo and conditioner right here. These are Shea Moistures. You can tell I've used through these ones a ton, but there's still some left in it. But if you're anyone looking for any kind of products to help, Cantu is the #1 product that I can recommend for you guys. This has worked for me for a long time. It's not that expensive. I believe all these are around $5, so in total I spent around like $15 for all three of these products, which is gonna make my curls a lot better, so I'm not worried about spending the money. Let's go ahead and get into the actual tutorial. The meat and beans. The meat and bean. Is that the phrase? How do you say the phrase? The meat and potatoes. Y'all know what the hell I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and get into the video, the tutorial, man. I gotta set the camera up, that way you guys can like see me. Cause I'm tall, and if I stand up, you know what I'm saying, I'm all the way up here. If I sit down, who the hell sits in the bathroom on the wall? Anyways, let's get into this tutorial, man. This is literally the best angle I could find for my height. As you guys can tell, I'm literally taller than the actual, you know, whatever the hell this thing is called. Y'all know what it's called. Anyways, first things first is you guys want to actually pick your hair out. My God, this lighting though, like right now with this lighting, my skin look way brighter than it actually is in real life. Anyways, you want to pick your hair out, so make sure you get this comb. I gotta step into my bathtub. And you just want to pick all of your hair out. I'm gonna fast forward through this part, but if you black, you got nappy hair, or you mixed, or you white, or whatever, just make sure your hair is picked out or combed out, whatever. And y'all gonna see, I have literally a whole afro. Like what you guys saw before looks like a lot of hair. Wait till you see what it looks like after I pick my hair out. Alright, now once you guys have officially picked out your hair in full, you should have some hair on your pick, because that's what happens when you have, you know, a lot of hair and stuff. That just happens, okay? But once you have elevated to the mushroom realm where your head literally look like a mushroom, or like one of them old 80, 90 afros, I literally look like I could be in the 80s right now doing some disco or something. But once you guys have picked your hair out, next thing you gotta do is actually get your hair wet. You can do it in the sink, you can do it in the shower. Either way, it just needs to get wet. Pause, no homo. But yeah, get your hair wet, and then I'll get back with you guys. Alright, now I actually cannot step in the bathtub because I'm wearing slides, and if I step in, I'm gonna get my slides wet. But once you guys have your hair wet, you just wanna make sure the water is actually rubbed all the way through your hair. Now, as you guys can tell, I have literally no curls right now. Like, my hair is not curly at all. It was picked out completely straight, and now it's just wet. Anybody in the comment section talking about this is impossible because you already have curly hair, I'm shutting it down right now. Y'all saw me pick my hair out. But look, make sure it's actually filled all the way through, you know what I'm saying? Next step is pretty basic, but you guys just wanna shampoo your hair. This goes for any shampoo, any conditioner, all that stuff. Just make sure you have a shampoo and conditioner. I literally have so many shampoos and conditioners. I have a ridiculous amount because I'm always shampooing and conditioning my hair. Get some shampoo, put it in your hair. I'm sure if you're over the age of 3, you've done this before. I shouldn't have to explain much. Rub it through your hands, put it in your hair, simple. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you do get a decent amount in your hair because you want to make sure this goes all the way through. So if you don't get enough on the first pass, just go back and do it again. You want to make sure your hair is all, you know what I'm saying, shampooed up. You should see white in your hair. You should be able to like make a mohawk or, you know, mess with your hair and stuff. I look like some sort of ant or beaver or something like that. Round 2, throw that in there. Make sure you get it all the way through your hair. That is important. You guys can't do half parts or only the front or only the back. You gotta make sure it's through all of your hair. Now, if you guys see my hair right now, it's literally all white because of the shampoo product. No dip. But now you just wanna wash this out. It's pretty much just like a normal shower with this part. Alright, you want to make sure that you got the shampoo actually out of your hair. And as you guys can see right now, literally some of my hair pieces are starting to form into curls already. Like, you guys see this big thick curl right here? That's literally just from shampooing with Cantu. Can't even talk, all this water dripping in my mouth. Water. Alright, so the next thing you guys are gonna want to do, conditioner. Like I said, you can use any conditioner, but Cantu I found works the actual best. So it's basically the same process. Just put it through your hair, make sure you have enough, rub it through all the way. And this isn't a thing you guys have to do literally every day to keep nice curls. You just gotta do this a couple times a week to keep your curls defined and nice and everything like that. This is not a daily thing. You don't have to spend a ton of money on shampoo and conditioner in order to get a certain nice look or a certain curl look that you guys are going for. Just make sure you guys are being hygienical. I don't even know if that's a word. Just common sense would say to do your hair. All right, after you guys actually get it rubbed in your hair, like literally I haven't even washed it out yet. And look what it's doing to my hair. My hair is really curly right now. Compared to when I started off and my hair was frizzy after I had picked it out, my hair looks a lot better now. But yeah, once you guys get the actual product in, next thing you want to do would be to wash it out. Something simple. Y'all already know the procedure here. Let's get it out of our hair. Another fun thing I like doing with curls and longer hair is this right here. I don't know why, but this is just low-key really fun to do when you have longer hair. If y'all grow y'all hair out, you would know what it feels like. It's actually pretty lit though. Alright y'all, so after you guys actually wash the product out of your hair, you're gonna see your curls that's gonna start to be popping. Oh, my eyeball. Alright, so now I put the shampoo in my hair, I put the conditioner in my hair. You guys can already see what it's doing to the curls. The curls are starting up. Now, in order for your hair to actually curl up and get that bounce and full look, you have to let it dry. But another tip for people who are just starting their curls is to definitely get this curl activator cream right here if it focuses on that. This is a big starter for people that are looking to get curls. This is basically what sets it off for you. This is what gets your curls to start forming. So I would definitely recommend this to people who are just starting curls for the first time or want to get curly hair. I've had a lot of people with straight hair even DM me and say, yo, you know, thank you for recommending this to me. It actually worked. And this video is not sponsored by Cantu at all. I'm just doing this as, you know, a tutorial. So I ain't making no bread from this video. I'm just literally helping y'all out. Now the last thing I would say if you guys really want to is to put some of this curl activator cream in. I would just throw a little bit because if you throw too much, you're literally gonna make your hair turn into like, your hair is gonna turn into gel, like that really starchy, nasty feeling. So honestly, I would just put in a little amount. As you guys see right here, it's barely anything on my hand. Just put in a tiny amount, rub it on your hands and put it in your hair. Nothing too crazy. Because what you don't want to do is mess your curls up with a bunch of product in it. So just something light right on the tips, right on the top, everything like that. Rub through, just rub it through, rub it out. Simple. No cap, I should have got a thumbnail before I did this video for the before picture. That's alright, that's alright. Now this is what your hair is actually gonna look like once you've done all the product and everything like that. Once you've shampooed, conditioned, put a little bit of curl activator in, it's gonna look like this where you guys can actually see the curls forming. Now this is the part where you have to actually let your hair dry, because if you don't let it dry, you just leave it like this or whatever and try doing something else to it, you're gonna just mess your hair up. Leave it just like this, let it dry up. You can try doing this. This is a little technique I learned, is if you take your curls right here and you just squish them up like that, it's gonna make them thicker. You should probably have to wait anywhere between 30 minutes to an hour for your hair to fully dry. So I'll be back in about 30 minutes to an hour and show you guys what the final product looked like. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel or left a like on a video, make sure to do that right now. But I'll catch you guys in like 30 minutes. Alright y'all, man, so it's been about 30 minutes to an hour now. My hair is still a little bit wet-ish and you know what I'm saying, it ain't dry completely yet. Normally when my hair completely dries, it starts to look like what it did at the beginning of this video, where it's a lot more puffy and stuff. So right now it's really compressed and down. It's just gotta keep drying so it'll kind of fluff up more. But as you guys can see, there's a lot of curls up in here. All of my hair is pretty much curly and everything. But hey man, hopefully this video helps you guys. Like I said, you know what I'm saying, get the products. I might have put a little bit too much of the curl activator cream, because like I said, if you use too much of this, it's gonna make your hair turn a little starchy and stuff. My hair is more fluffy right now, but there's a couple parts where I can definitely feel it, and you notice it with like the tinier curls. But all in all, this helps, you know what I'm saying? So if you are somebody looking to get curls, you're somebody looking to up your curl game, this is the video for you guys. Let me know down in the comment section if this video did help you guys. Leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new. I'm actually about to go get a cut right now. I'm finna get a little taper, you know what I'm saying? Just fade up the sides and stuff so I'm not looking so dusty. Subscribe to the channel, subscribe to my main channel, all that good stuff. Y'all know the vibes, man. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. I got a lot of bangers coming, man. Good content, funny content, all that good stuff. I will catch you guys in my next video very soon. It's me, your boy Just Cryptic here. Have a blessed night, baby. Peace out. Second to the meat show. I let my meat second to the meat show. Blueface, baby. Yeah, I want to see you bust down. Hold on, I actually can't do that at the same time. Pick it up. Now break this shit. Hey, speed it up. Now slow that down on the game. I know that look mad cringy. I just can't do it at the same time. Hey, but the curls is popping though.
Yeah, yeah. They was hating cause I'm popping. Try to hold me back, but I ain't never ever stopping. All this money on me, I feel like I just went shopping. She was trying to cut, but I told her that